34 to 42 degrees, but it has been so mild here. We haven't seen any snow. Now, there could be some snow in the forecast. Temperatures are dropping. So right now, this is not a big deal. I'm showing you the wind chills because it will be a big deal later this afternoon. You're going to have to keep moving if you go on the subway or to the train, and you're going to need to be layered up by 5 o'clock. I'm getting ahead of myself. Let me just tell you right now, today is dry. The front that was, bringing us some rain yesterday and cool temperatures is now off the coast. Northwest wind, colder air headed this way, dry today. February so far, look at the calendar, 16 days above. Look at how crazy warm it's been. 28 degrees above average on some of those days, only below 3 times the normal 4. So for Central Park, for Manhattan, 5.5 degrees above the average high, running at 50 degrees. It should be 44 for this month. For LaGuardia, I use this for the Bronx and Brooklyn and Queens, obviously, running almost 4 degrees above average, again, close to 50 degrees. That's why it's been too mild for snow. That's why I was saying that LA could see more snowflakes than us. We've only had 0.4 of an inch, not even an inch of snow here for us in New York. 51 degrees, Jersey. You are running basically 9 degrees above average for this month, and that's why you too have not seen snow. But with winds out of the northwest, and look at the speed here. We need the little wind guy there, right, to show you. The winds will be gusting up to 30 miles an hour later today. By 5 p.m., from Manhattan through Queens into Jersey, Westchester, and Connecticut, from Harlem, Jamaica, Livingston, Yonkers, and Bridgeport, wind chills as cold as 15 to 20 degrees at 5 p.m. That's very fast. So if you're leaving now at 43 and you're thinking like, Dan was saying, you didn't need a big jacket, you're going to need some layers at 5 p.m. Then tomorrow morning, the winds are out of the north, but they die down a little bit. So the wind chills won't be exceedingly worse than tonight, but still very cold, and you don't want to expose your skin tomorrow morning. Between the Queens into Manhattan, over to the Bronx and Brooklyn, through Westchester, Jersey, and Connecticut, temperature range at 8 a.m. tomorrow morning when stars on the air, this will be somewhere between 12 to 15 degree wind chill. So that's going to be brutal. It's a rude awakening to the system. Next week, nobody else is going to show you this. I'm seeing a nor'easter. Could we see big-time snow? That's possible. We'll have to see if that holds together.